Hey guys, welcome back to another coin video. This is Silver Helm Coins and Collectibles. Thank you guys for joining in. Today I have covered this in previous that I have quite a few of the Southern Rhodesia coins in my collection. Today we will be looking at the 3 pence from 1932. So it's not a large coin, but as we'll come to see, this has some serious collector's appeal and the reason for it being in my collection. All right, so let's start with the basics. As stated, it's a tiny coin, so it weighs 1.41 grams in total. But don't let that diminish some of its appeal. This coin, because it is 1932, or it was in 1932, was in fact struck in 92.5% silver, meaning this is a sterling silver coin. So anyone who would want to get into the world of silver coins, this is quite impressive because the British, they used to mint them in sterling. The later years, they did reduce the silver percentage, and then eventually they did take away all the silver from the coins. However, today's one, 1932, 3 pence, is sterling silver. So if you go look at the actual silver weight of this coin, it is 1.3 grams or 0.0419 troy ounces of silver. So that is not bad. I would say that is pretty decent, even though it is a small coin, but there will be melt value as we'll come to see. All right, so there were 688,000 of these minted. On my research with the dates, I actually found that the 1932 wasn't minted as much as the 33 or the 39. So the 32 at 688,000 was circulated, but they did mint less of them. So that was just something interesting I found in my research. So let us take a closer look at this coin. It was in circulation, but I mean all the numbers are visible, the country's name, and then at the back you can see George V with his mustache. So there is a bit more wear on this side, but you can still clearly see significant details of the British ruler at the time. So if I had to go and look at, the grading, or if I were to estimate the grading of this coin, I would state it is very fine to extremely fine. Extremely fine would be the border of how high it is graded, whereas very fine is more comfortable of where I would put this coin. Okay, now that we have all those physical details, let's basically condense it into what is the value of this coin. Its melt value on today, that's if you sold it purely for just its silver content. The melt value is $2.51 in today's spot price of silver. But as we'll come to see with this coin that is nearly 100 years old and collector premium, we actually come to a completely different value. So for this grade, very fine to extremely fine, realistically, the value of this coin is between $8 and $20. As you can see, that is quite different from the $2.51 for the silver alone. So it's in the range of $8 to $20. And if I had to put a pin on this coin, I would say it is $17.5. So I don't know how many more Rhodesian coins I will find in my collecting. There have been a lot on my channel, just because I'm situated in this part of the world. But going forward, we'll see if we put more Rhodesian coins on the channel. But that was today's video. The 3 pence 1932 from Southern Rhodesia. Very fine to extremely fine grade, and I estimate it to be $17.5. If you guys would like to join the Silver Helm Collectors Club, where I will drop in future listings and everything about collectings and coins, go ahead and check out the description. If you enjoyed my content, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.